Going to be downloading Ollama and running our own AI models, and then we're going to be training them. So just go to ollama.com and then just sign into your username and then download the application. I have a Mac, so I'm going to do it for a Mac. Now that it's done, let's install it. Let's go ahead and run it. Here you have all the models, and if you don't have it downloaded, as soon as you type, it's going to start downloading it. So let's go ahead and say something like, tell me the square root of 49. Now this first will download the model, and then you don't have to download it again, but it's quite easy to use. Then you're going to be running your local Ollama model, actually it's Gemma model, inside the Ollama program. You can also access Ollama from the terminal, and you can also connect your own local AI running in Ollama as a server and then use it with another script and connect and get data. We are also going to cover that scenario in this video. Now that it's downloaded, it answered, and now it should be faster answering. It's like, what programming languages are you good at? Let's see what it says. Oh, it's answering quite fast. Gemma 3. Interesting. Okay, so it gave me some things here, and now let's go and see how we can use this on the terminal. So the first thing we want to do on the terminal, I just asked ChatGPT a couple of commands, so let's go to that. So here we're going to put Ollama -- version, and as you can see, we have this installed. Let me make this a little bit bigger, and now let's run Ollama run. In theory, I'm just going to put Ollama run. It requires one argument. Let's do Ollama list to see the names of the models that we have. Currently we only have one, so I'm gonna put Ollama run Gemma 3, like that, and now we are running it just like we were here on the prompt, but on the terminal. So I'm gonna ask him, do you know JavaScript? Oh, okay, it's answering quite fast. I'm surprised that it's answering this fast. I thought it was going to take more time to answer. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's see what else we can do with it. So now we want to run Ollama as a server. So for example, Control D. Okay, we're gonna run Ollama as a server. I think this is not gonna allow me because I'm already running it in the UI. Yep, the UI one is already using that address. So we're already running it, and we can just pretty much use a curl command to then prompt it. And I'm gonna do that here. Actually, I'm gonna stop the process and completely kill it and try the Ollama serve here. There it is. Now we are running it on the terminal instead of the UI. And let's also on the side do a call to the Ollama host so we can see it side by side. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste this here momentarily just to change the name of the model. In this case, we need to call the model Gemma. So let's go back, and then here we're gonna ask something like, do you know PHP, for example. Now I'm gonna just copy that, go to the terminal, and I'm going to execute that curl command, and it should answer here on our server. So we're going to run it, and as you can see, it's answering, but it's answering in a, I need to pass another parameter so that it doesn't answer word by word, but basically it answered. Now let's pass that parameter. That parameter is probably something like stream dot false. So let's try that. Oh, okay. I guess it's not stream. Oh, I see. So the stream actually worked, but it was quite slow rather than with the stream true. Yeah, that's what we did. Okay, so yeah, it was quite slow actually. So let's try that again. So if I do something like without the stream, like this, it's quite fast. Let me cancel that. But if I do it with the stream false, it's quite slow. Interesting. So maybe it's better to use it on the stream model. The only issue is that then you have to parse every single thing that he says, which is fine. But this is promising. This is actually pretty cool that I can run it locally. None of my information is going to another server. I'm asking it with a simple curl command. That means I can do a PHP script that connects to this AI model. So if you guys are interested in a PHP script or Python script that connects to this model and requests things locally, let me know. And also if you're interested in training it, also let me know. But this can be trained basically by giving it a prompt as soon as you call the model. So you give it like a pre-prompt, which it uses as a base. Thank you so much.